Hey guys, so I just got 2 new orders and will be me unboxing them and seeing what it is. So let's start by this one. Okay, so here it is, not in very good shape. Yeah, I hope it's still in one piece. So this is the Pyraminx. I really hope this is still in good shape. This is my first Pyraminx, so I have no idea how it works. So let's see if I understand how to turn this. If you saw my last video of this cube, it was really hard to understand how to turn it at first. Yeah, but this one is a little bit easier. Yeah, I'll have to learn a little bit more about this one. Let's see what's in the other box. And for this one I'm gonna need my little friend here. Okay, so this is a little bit more special. Here is the standing, and yeah, here it is, my QiYi magnetized cube, my first magnetized cube. Okay, so let's open it. Yeah, more plastics, but yeah, here it is. So let's see how it turns. Yeah, not bad. It's a little bit slippery because of the lube, I guess, but yeah, feels great. So yeah, this will be handy because my main one right now was this one, was the Mylong 3, and right now is a little bit in a bad shape. As you can see, it almost doesn't turn. Yeah, not in good shape because I'm preparing a really great video for you guys. So right now it's full of sand inside and with salt water. So yeah, let me know what do you think will be this video. Write down in the comments. I'm hoping to see your answers because I guess it will be a really great video. I'm really excited to post it. Right now I'm still filming and doing some editing, but soon it will be available. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss it, and I'm really excited for this video. So this new one will be very handy. Yeah, it turns really well. I really can see the magnets doing their job. So this is my first magnetized cube, and it will be interesting to see how I adapt to it. So I will probably be using this a lot in my next videos. And this one I will still have to open it, take it apart and clean it and see if it can get back to what it was before. So yeah, that's it for this video, just a little unboxing, and I hope to see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe, don't miss that special video that I told you about, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye! Yeah, so this is how much sand was inside the cube and the little plant also. Still cleaning.